Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your PC actually has Bluetooth. Plug a modern USB adapter if it does not. Once done, charge the Beats enough and put them into pairing mode by pressing and holding the power button until the LED flashes. On the PC, open Bluetooth and Devices in Settings and choose Add Device, select Bluetooth. You do this because pairing mode advertises the headset and the PC needs to discover it. Pairing is the only wireless link for native audio. After the PC discovers your Beats, select them and complete pairing by confirming any prompts. You'll hear a tone from the headphones. Once connected, go to Sound Settings and explicitly set the Beats as the output device and choose the stereo A2 DP profile for full audio fidelity. If the PC defaults to hands-free or shows low quality, switch profiles and make sure to update or reinstall Bluetooth drivers so the adapter supports A2 DP and stable audio streaming. Finish by playing a track and adjusting both the system and Beats volume. You want clear, synchronized audio. If connection fails, remove the Beats from paired devices, reboot the PC, and attempt pairing again. That often resolves driver handshake issues. As a final resort, reset the headphones by holding power and volume down for around 10 seconds to clear prior pairings, then re-enter pairing mode. This troubleshooting step fixes most stuck states and is the key tip if things go wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.